Discover a piece of Phoenix history at the iconic Phoenix Towers. This is Arizona's first residential high-rise, and it's nestled in the Alvarado Historic District of Midtown Phoenix. A fast look at great design brought to you by azarchitecture.com. I am Scott Jarson. This mid-century modern masterpiece offers high design, unparalleled city views, and timeless elegance. Come take a look. Featuring 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a thoughtfully designed floor plan, this 1,250 square foot unit is a rare find in this building. Enjoy updated interiors, abundant storage, a private terrace overlooking Central Avenue. Phoenix Towers could be your next home. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of Phoenix history. Call me directly, Scott Jarson, 480-254-7510. Schedule your private tour today. Thanks for stopping by.